Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to those who are new here. Today we're going to be looking at how to frame a stretched canvas in a regular frame that you would use for photos or for prints. The materials you're going to need are some pliers, a flathead screwdriver, some scissors, some painter's tape, and your frame and painting. Let's get right into it. So the first step that you need to do is take your painting, and we need to remove the staples from the back of the canvas. And so to do that, as you can see here, I take a flathead screwdriver to prop up the staples, and after they are propped up, then I will take the pliers to pull them out. It can be kind of a grueling process getting all of them out, but if you just go through step by step, they'll all come out pretty easily. Once you have them all out, then we need to remove the canvas from the wooden support frame. And so just be careful around the corners there, because a lot of the times the canvas is glued to one another as it's wrapped around the corner. And so just slowly make sure you get the glue off of it, and then you can take that wooden frame right out. Now from the frame that you've purchased, you can take the back supporting piece, I don't know what to call it, and insert it into your canvas, and you can see how much extra there is around the outsides. From there, I'm going to take some scissors and just trim along the sides of it. You can trim right up to it if you want to. I'm going to leave a little bit of space just to wrap around, just to make sure I don't cut too much off. But yeah, if you feel confident, you can cut right up to the back of it so it fits perfectly. So if you've cut perfectly around it, this next step you won't need to do, but since I left a little bit, I'm going to take some tape and just tape the corners where the little bit is overlapping, and that'll help when we put this into the frame, just help it fit in nice and smooth. So now you can grab your frame, put your painting into it, and then the next step is just to go and put down all of the little clamps along the edges. I use a screwdriver for it because it was hurting my fingers, but once those are all down, then you will have your finished painting. Here you can see it up on the wall, nice and framed. Looks as if it was made for that frame. It's a pretty simple process. The most time-consuming part is just taking the staples out of the back of the canvas. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell so you get notifications when I post new videos, and we'll see you next time. I'm Brian Sloan Artist.